Hi, this is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over the importance of boarding up your home after a fire. After a fire, securing your home is critical for safety, preventing further damage, and aiding in the restoration process. Boarding up is a key step in fire damage restoration. Why boarding up is essential. Prevents further damage. Exposed areas allow rain, wind, and debris inside, worsening fire and water damage. Sealing openings protects against mold growth and structural weakening. Ensures safety and security. Fire damaged homes are vulnerable to trespassers, vandalism, and theft. Boarding up keeps intruders out and prevents injuries from unstable structures. Supports fire damage assessment. A secure property allows restoration professionals to expect damage without risk of further contamination or tampering. How boarding up helps restoration and insurance claims. It facilitates the insurance claim itself. Insurers require proof that reasonable steps were taken to protect the property. Proper documentation, including photos and receipts, strengthen these claims. It aids smoke damage cleanup and soot removal. Keeping the property sealed prevents fresh contaminants from entering and making cleanup efforts more efficient. To conclude, boarding up after a fire protects your home, speeds up restoration, and ensures a smoother insurance process. At PDQ, we provide expert fire and water damage restoration across North Jersey with top-rated Google reviews. Please call us today.